This is the elevator at H&M at the Frederiksberg Shopping Center, Frederiksberg, Copenhagen, Denmark. This is a glass KONE MonoSpace 500 from 2014. Shopping Center floor B3 or H&M floor 2. Very well. The escalators are Otis, and I think the original stuff for Otis, I'm guessing this replaced an Otis 2000. I don't know how long ago. Well, 2014, I guess. Here, B3/2. Back on B10. Buttons like barely press for the 570. The nice KONE glass lift elevator. Here back at bottom inspection. That's going to be interesting. There's a theft alarm at the elevator.